Now I have provided store to all the components. Now what I just want to get access to my state which is available inside the store. For example, inside this pizza slice, I am having pizza base. For that value is 1000. So inside pizza view component, I need to get access to that state and I want to display the value here. So for that, we are going to make use of useSelector hook which is provided by react-redux. And using that, we can get hold of any state which is maintained in Redux store. So first thing, I am just going to import useSelector hook. And this is provided by react-redux. And inside this functional component, I am just going to call this useSelector. And this hook is going to accept function as its parameter, and inside this function we are going to pass redux state as its argument. So here I will be writing state, and this function is called as selector function, and here I will write console.log. Inside this I will be writing state. Now from this selector function we are going to get some returned value. So that returned value I'm just going to assign to this variable. Here I will write pizza base. Below this, I'm just going to log pizza base. Save it. Inspect this. I will increase the size. Now you can see inside this I am having object. So inside my state, I am having burger buns and pizza base. So now I only want to access pizza base. So first I will access this pizza key where we have assigned a reducer inside the store. So this is our pizza key, and then once we get access to the reducer, then simply we are going to access this pizza base. So here instead of writing this, I will write state.pizza, which is the reducer key, and after that I am just going to give the property name which we have given in our state. Now I will come here, refresh once. Now you can see successfully I am able to access 1000. Now here, in place of this 200, I just have to display this pizza base. Before that, I will remove this log, remove it, save. Now here, I'm just going to write pizza base. Now this pizza base is having value 1000, so I'm just displaying in my component. Now you can see successfully I'm able to render the result and I'm able to display 1000 in my component. I will remove this log. So basically, this state is going to refer to the redux state which contains multiple reducers. So that is the reason we have to pass the key which we have given inside the reducer, and after that we are just accessing the property which we have to display in the component. Now same thing I'm just going to do for burger view as well. I will open this. First thing, I have to import useSelector. And below this, I'm just going to call useSelector. Inside that, I will be passing selector function as its parameter, which will be taking redux state as its argument. And from this state, for burger, I have given the key as burger. So here, I will be passing burger. And what state I have to access? I have to access this burger buns. I will copy and here I will be pasting. So this function is going to return some value. So that value I'm just going to assign to burger buns. Now in place of this 50, I'm just going to render this burger buns. Save it. Now my default value is 200. You can see successfully I am able to access the state, and for pizza base I am able to display 1000, and for burger buns I am able to display 200.